Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video of Let's Talk About It. So in today's video we are going to discuss about anxiety. Now as a child I had some major anxiety issues to the point when I would just pass out. And मैंने पिछले वीडियो में ये बताया है and अगर आपने वीडियो नहीं देखा है then I'll link it up here, you can check it out. Now in the last video I spoke about fear and ways to deal with it. Fear and anxiety are actually interrelated because one can always trigger the other. For example, when we are fearful we start getting anxious, right? On the other hand, when we worry about something we get anxious and eventually get fearful. Now both can trigger each other, hence it is very important to deal with them. So in today's video I'm going to share with you some tips on how to deal with this anxiety. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Now when we hear the word anxiety, we first tend to categorize it very negatively. You need to understand that anxiety can be helpful too. For example, if I am taking part in a competition and I want to win, then I have to give my 100%, right? So due to this small triggered fear of losing, I start preparing and I start rehearsing for the competition. Now in my case, if somebody gives me a task and it has a deadline, I will make sure that I complete that task because I will keep on worrying about it till that task is not complete. Hence, till that task is not done, I get anxious and this anxiety just doesn't let me rest at all. Some may take this very negatively, but I think it works pretty well for me to help me complete my task in time. Strategizing is very important. Now, if there are a lot of things to do, the most efficient way to manage it is by making a timetable and making sure that you stick to it. So when you make a timetable, when you need to do those things and how you need to go about it, your brain is already prepared, and thus planning well in advance reduces almost 50% of the anxiety related stress. Now in the situation today, we are all locked down in our houses and it is but natural for anxiety to eventually build up. Now anxiety is a natural way for our body to deal with stress. So when we face a stressful situation, our body goes into fight or flight mode, and when this mode is on, the body starts releasing stress hormones. Now when you're just sitting there and have nothing to do, these stress hormones start building up and you tend to feel even more anxious. Physical activity or exercise help you get rid of these negative juices and thus help you deal with anxiety. So you can walk, run, dance, do whatever you want, but get those limbs moving. Diet. Yes, diet plays a major role when it comes to dealing with anxiety. A study published in the American Journal of Psychiatry showed that people who ate clean diets such as vegetables, whole grains, meat, fish, etc. were found to be less anxious than those who ate junk. So try cutting down on your sugar products, try cutting down on refined products such as maida, also white rice, and replace the whites with the browns. So instead of white rice you can have brown rice, instead of white sugar you can have brown sugar. Fried, processed foods and alcohol also play a major role in triggering anxiety. Now there are some foods which you can include in your diet which help you cope and deal with anxiety. Foods such as dark chocolate, turmeric, chamomile, omega-3 rich foods such as mackerel, salmon and sardines are very good in helping you deal with anxiety. Earlier, I used to be super addicted to junk food and there was not even a single day that I could live without it. But when I started eating clean, even I started feeling good about myself and positive about myself. So yeah, make sure you keep a check on what you eat. When you have nothing to do at all, you start worrying. Worrying leads to stress, which further leads to anxiety. So keep yourself busy, keep doing something or the other so you don't have time to worry. Anxiety is caused by stress And what better way to relieve anxiety by music, right? Now, different kinds of music have a different kind of impact on our brain. As I mentioned earlier, when we are stressed out, our body releases stress hormones such as adrenaline and cortisol. Listening to music reduces these stress hormones and thus help relieve the symptoms of anxiety. Relaxing music calms the mind and helps reduce mental fatigue. A study shows that music can help reduce stress and anxiety by about 65%. I mean, isn't that amazing? Whenever you feel stressed out, just pop in those earphones and start vibing to the beat. So guys, this is it for this video. These are a few tips on how to deal with anxiety. Please like this video, share this video as much as you can. Comment down below how you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I will see you next week with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye.